Blinkers on here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an enemy follow your player in Scratch. This is a lot easier than it sounds, and let's just get right into it. So first, we're just going to create a new sprite, and we can just get the normal cat sprite. Here we go, we have two of them now. We'll just move this one to the bottom left corner so I can keep track of it. And we can actually just edit the costume. So let's make just purple. That'll make it easier to make it purple. There we go. That looks nice and neat. So now we can just add basic movement for our Scratch Cat. So we go to Events, when green flag clicked, and then we put in a forever block and attach that to the when green flag clicked. And we can just we can bring out a go to block and change that to mouse pointer. So now it will continuously follow our mouse pointer. And let's show that in a bigger view actually. There we go. See, nice and neat. So now we can start creating the code for our enemy sprite. So for the enemy sprite, it is basically just going to be pointing towards our character at all times. And that will allow it to follow our character. So first we're going to put a when green flag clicked, because we want it to be when the green flag is clicked. Then forever. And then we want to make sure we point towards. So this is a good block because it allows you to point towards any object in the game. So we're just going to do sprite 1 since that is the name of our character. And actually we can just name that to player. Oh, my bad. Typo. Player. And now we can just, yep, there it is, player. So now if we watch, it will consistently point towards our player, which is great. So now we can zoom out, and then we can constantly move 10 steps, which will move it forward in the direction it's facing. There we go. Now it is following our player. But it's weird because it is flipping upside down. So, let's fix that. Oop, my bad. There's a cool feature in Scratch where if we go to the direction tab for this sprite, we can see this little button, and it says left, right, rotation. So we click that, and then, if you play the game, it will move and point in the direction. Actually, it's easier to see if I just remove this block. It will point in the direction on the side that your player is facing. So if your player's on the right side, it will point to the right side. If your player's on the left side, it will point to the left side. Now, if we add in the move block, which we can actually change just because I was a little fast, we can just put it to 5. There we go. It will still follow the player because, as you can see, the direction is still changing, but the player sprite is flipping according to the negative or positive multiplier. So that is how you create an enemy AI in Scratch. This is a very basic enemy AI, and there are a lot of other things you can do with it, like having something where if it touches the Scratch Cat, you can have the Scratch Cat explode and change the backdrop to say you died. Or you can have health points and add in a feature where you can attack the enemy AI to make it disappear. But this is just a very basic way to make an enemy AI in Scratch. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and if you want to see more, make sure to click the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified so you can know when new videos come out. That is all for today. Blinkers off.